It's Friday, you guys. It's been a minute since we did 2 videos in a week, and I'm pretty excited about it. We've overcame
all obstacles.
Have you overcome that snack you're eating?
A dry Cliff Bar. It's the worst.
Well, here we are.
And let me tell you something. This is a very special video. Major announcement at the end of the video, so stick around.
There's an announcement, all right.
But yeah, this video is for everybody.
Yeah.
That likes to save money.
Yeah. A lot of times I think we like to come in here and focus on a few things or a vehicle or something like that. But one of the things that...
And that's what we're doing today.
Well, except it's not just one vehicle, it's all the vehicles.
Yes.
It's all the vehicles. But we are going to primarily talk about one consumer base, and that is the S chassis squad.
Yes. The thrifty boys. Right?
Are you a drifty boy?
I'm not. I'm too old for drifting.
So we have recently revamped our special section on the website. We were hitting it heavy. We were hitting it hard.
Smashing it.
Some of the parts are closeout parts. Some of the parts are not closeout parts. Some of the parts we're just being nice, giving you a good deal, a really good deal.
Talking to you, S13 boys.
Yeah, so I just added a whole bunch of S13 parts, and I didn't throw in a bunch of junk, like a pack of clips or something like that. I could.
But you won't.
Good stuff. I see you printed out some prices.
Yeah, I printed out a bunch of stuff here because I need to hit a home run with this video. I need you folks to know how much money you're saving. So yeah. I really invested some time into this video, Russell. I'm probably into it 10 minutes already.
Market research is grueling.
It's expensive, it's tedious, but I'm willing to do that for all y'all.
Spending money to lose money for you guys.
Yes.
First up, I got the part myself here, the Silvia trunk lock assembly with the badge. This thing is sick.
It is. Now, we have it on the specials page currently.
Yeah.
Now, do we have an expiration for the specials page?
Some of the specials are going to stick around
to the end of the month
for a while. Other ones are going to stick around for a couple days.
Oof. All right.
Maybe 24 hours.
We don't know which.
No. I will tell you that if you go into the special section and just about anything for the S13, 180SX Silvia, it ain't going to be there long. I can tell you right now because we are just doing you a favor because I don't know if there's anything that we have in stock that's just like, oh, we got to get rid of this for those cars.
Right.
It's all stuff we sell.
And is the rest of the website still at employee pricing?
Yes.
Okay. So these are super duper deals on the specials page.
Yeah.
All right. So it's even better than employee pricing.
Yeah.
All right. So that trunk lock cylinder, finisher, embellisher, fancy flip top there. Our current price is $115. I went online.
Mm-hmm.
Our major competitor is selling it for $139, and the lowest price one on eBay is $149.11.
And that doesn't take into account shipping.
Right. So there's that.
Yeah.
How about the RPS 13 center panel Garnish?
Love it.
Yeah, it's pretty nice.
Love it.
Popular item.
Yeah.
We've got them on the website, specials page, $100 even. Our major competitor, not going to name any names yet, $121.
And that's a good price.
Yeah, $121 is
Really
a good price. But what would you do with that $21? That's 2 packs of smokes,
a gallon of gas,
3 juice refills for your vape gun or whatever they call those things, or a whole bunch of energy drinks. eBay has them for $149.80.
Getting gouged over there, guys.
Yeah. But, I mean, I get it. Everyone wants to shop around. Best deals. I'm saving you guys time.
Yeah.
All right. How about the wiper switch assembly for right-hand drive S13? Our price on the specials. Yeah, this is crazy. Our price is $33.
Yeah.
Which makes me wonder if that is a typo.
If you got a right-hand drive, you need to just get it and have it because eventually if you're keeping that car,
you're going to need it
because
it's going away. eventually.
Yeah.
Our major competitor is selling them for $41.43.
Good price.
Yeah, not a bad price. The cheapest one I found on eBay, $67.02.
Yeah. What's funny about eBay is there are people who live by eBay. They don't buy parts or buy anything from anywhere else. They go to eBay because they assume it's going to be the cheapest price you can find online. And sometimes that is the case.
Yeah.
Sometimes you can get it, everybody gets into a battle, who can go the lowest. It's like, what's that game where you go into the stick?
Limbo.
And I'm going to tell you right now, we used to be on eBay. I would say when we first got on eBay, the majority of the things that we sold on eBay were like super rare parts. We put them on there because we could make more money on them, or put them on there to auction and make more money on them. So perfect case here, 6702. And, the people buying those could get them cheaper.
You get two.
Many places.
You get two from us for that price.
Yeah. So if you shop on eBay, there's nothing wrong with that. I shop on eBay.
I shop on eBay all the time. I actually sell on eBay too.
Yeah. Same. For my kid. But
dude.
be cognizant that, if you get that part number, just type it into Google.
Yeah.
And look at the people who are selling it.
All right. So this one is a kit that we put together. It's not on eBay. Our major competitor says contact for pricing, right? This is the 180 SX.
Who's doing that?
I'm not going to name.
Oh, no. I mean, who out of y'all is going to do that? You going to contact somebody for a price?
Yeah, I think I would.
If somebody else listed, though? If somebody else has got it online that I know I can buy it from, and then this other guy's got it with no price,
I would still do it. I would do it.
You would do it just to put them through the paces?
No, I would do it because I want to save money. I'd be like, okay, I'll contact them.
Did you contact them?
No, I didn't.
We need to find out.
We should totally do that.
Circle back.
But this is the 180 SX Kouki front bumper kit. Our price, $1,726.78. I don't have a competitive pricing for that. Nobody said this is a kit that we actually put together. It's not something that Nissan does. It's something we pick and pull.
Yeah, I mean,
for one-stop shop.
Just to kind of compare, the MSRP, so Nissan's recommended pricing for this kit, if you add up all the parts, is $2,109. That's almost
$400.
Huge discount. And once again, this is something that we can't keep on the shelf. And we're just helping you guys out because we know. I mean, we are very aware that the prices on some.
Yeah, I mean, 17. Wow. I mean, at this point, I was thinking about this earlier, like Kouki taillight kits, front bumper kits. Those are aesthetic, cosmetic purchases.
Yeah.
Right. And it's at the point now where you really have to want that.
Yeah. Yeah. I mean, it is what it is.
Yeah.
The price ain't going to go down. I'll tell you that right now.
All right, so here's another kit that Russell invented. It's the door weather strip kit for S13 Fastback and Coupe. Again, there was nobody selling it as a kit that I could find. I think at this point I was sick of trying to look for stuff online, but we've got it on the specials page, $1,092.56.
Yeah. This one. Now, I only brought one of these little bezels in here just because I think every time we show these off, somebody goes, oh my gosh, you can buy those because everybody needs them that has pop-ups. But we have a refresh kit that includes it's got the little linkage for the motor, the little brushed or polished chrome, whatever, metal.
I think they're stainless.
Beauty ring, stainless. That's probably
headlight retainer.
Bunch of hardware, all the stuff that gets rusted, corroded, nasty looking.
Is there springs in that kit too? Yeah, a couple of springs.
Yeah.
So yeah, it's a complete kit.
We're selling it for $490.81. That is a $362 discount. That's a 42.5% discount. That's almost 50%. Guys, once again, if you got a car with pop-ups, just get it, store it if you got the funds to do so.
All right, I got the taillight kit in here.
Yeah.
Currently, our special pricing on the 180 SX Kouki taillight kit, $1,147.50. Lowest price one I found on eBay, $1,500 $565.18.
Yeah.
Our major competitor is selling it for $1,374.02. So yeah, we're $200, $230 cheaper.
Yeah.
If I'm doing my math right, from our closest competitor. Now, this kit is available without the lower garnish if you want to try and source.
Yeah, we just had somebody order one the other day, and when I saw the pricing on it, I thought it was the whole kit, and I just put the full kit on special, and I was like, oh my God, what'd I do?
Uh-oh.
But it was fine. I didn't change that kit. It was just way less because it didn't have that garnish in it.
Right. Now let's talk about that lower garnish. Right. Because I've got 3 pages of things to say about it. The lower metal garnish, which is essential for that Kouki taillight kit to fit properly
And look right.
Yeah. Price that went away for a while. Nissan was like, we're discontinuing it, and then a couple of months later it came back and the price was through the roof,
Quadrupled.
We've got on the specials page $521. It's still a lot of money.
Oh,
But if you knew what we were paying for these,
Yeah.
we're making what? I don't even want to say $1.
Nothing. Yeah.
Major competitor has it for $569, and on eBay, you can go to that major competitor's eBay page, and you can pay $615 for it, but they're going to give you free shipping.
That's to cover all the fees or your shipping.
Now,
Whatever. And funny thing is that's a good price. That's a really good price. Either one of those prices is good.
yeah, there was some crazy. I went high end on there as well to see, and it was like nuts.
Yeah.
Now, there's people looking at the screen yelling at us right now. Well, you can get it aftermarket now. You J replace, right? So I went and looked into this J replace OE replacement. You can get one. It is cheap. It is, if you're looking to save money. But the way they try to advertise this thing, they say this is a less expensive alternative OE replacement.
Yeah.
When it should be worded a less expensive alternative to OE replacement, right? Because it kind of implies that it's an OE replacement part, but on an alternative price point. But it also requires the stud holes to be drilled out from 5 millimeters to 6 millimeters. So you got to get your drill out.
Got to do some body work
And your touch-up paint to make it fit. But, I mean, if you got a drift car, you don't care about it, big deal.
True.
Or if you're on a budget, that's, I get it.
Let me tell you, I despise aftermarket body parts, especially sheet metal. I worked at a big wholesale dealer in Charlotte, North Carolina before I moved out to the West Coast. And I mean, we had over $1 million worth of inventory, body stuff, like we were huge. And our parts manager decided that he was going to get in bed with one of the aftermarket parts providers. And so they leased a warehouse, stocked it full of aftermarket stuff. And I'm going to tell you right now, the biggest debacles got created because of that, because, we'd have a body shop call in and buy, a whole big body order from us and go get a left and right aftermarket fender. They'd wait, they get all their stuff, they paint it, go to put it on the car, make sure your stuff fits before you paint it. And it wouldn't fit. There'd be something, silly about it, or the body lines didn't line up or something. And you would not believe how we had a room. It was like in this warehouse, it was like an office space in there for probably like 10 people. That room was absolutely stuffed to the gills with junk that we couldn't do nothing with because it was ours. We bought it. We owned it. And I mean, yeah, there are some companies out there that make aftermarket parts that fit, especially like the Japanese companies like Kouki Power, Version Select, Origin. I mean, there's good stuff out there, but if you are in America, the stuff's definitely not made in America. I can tell you that.
Let me ask you this: if you have purchased one of these J replace lower garnishes, let us know how it worked out for you. If you had to do like major surgery, or if it was easy peasy for you.
Yeah, I'd love to hear too, like how the the gaps meeting around the body, the tail light. Is it all cohesive, or is there? Yeah, I want to know. I want to know too. I didn't realize that you had to drill those holes out.
I didn't either.
Come on, guys.
What else we got here, Russell?
I got a couple shift knobs here. Skyline and the this is the S chassis, but it also fits. I mean, it'll fit the Skyline too, but feel the difference. This, I didn't realize what the weight difference was on those two, but it's pretty wild.
Yeah, this is like got a all metal insert.
Yeah, and that one's just like plastic, probably a nylon insert. So I mean, they definitely look different. So depending on what you want your interior to look like, I know that the one that fits the S chassis also came in. Like the Sentras 200SX, things like that. And I know yours is probably smooth like glass now. If you want that clean OE look, don't want aftermarket. Aftermarket shift knobs are fine. Nismo shift knobs are fine. But sometimes you just want simplicity.
You just want it to look stock.
Want to look right. But yeah, so go to the special section. That's, I mean, me and Tom, Wednesday we got on a rant. Today we're getting on rants. This is what you can get now. Angry Tom and Russell. We're not angry.
I'm not angry.
Tom's so much not angry that he's got a little something here for you guys. A surprise of sorts.
Yeah, so if you watched our Wednesday What the Truck video, I did mention that I was going to go into my stash of stuff that I collect for no good reason whatsoever.
Yep.
And I thought you guys would appreciate this. We're going to do a little giveaway. I've got a Hot Wheels Nissan Skyline GTR R32 Godzilla.
Thing's cool.
It is super cool. We're just going to give this away. All you have to do is, what do they have to do, Russell?
We want you to, all you got to do, go on your social media pages, share a video, and then come back and comment and say, hey, just let us know you shared it. That's all we want.
Yeah.
Once again, we're on the trust system over here.
Yeah.
I ain't got time to be chasing y'all down. But just comment on the video, and then we'll randomize the comments and
pick a winner.
Little robot friend will pick a winner.
Yeah. So this is pretty cool. I've only got one of these.
Yeah.
And I was going to try and hold on to it for the next 15, 20, 35 years and then put it back on eBay. But I don't know that it'll be around here that long. I'm probably going to die.
Wow. Okay. And not, we're going to put the sunshine back on you guys now that we've gone into the dark. We will definitely send the winner a sticker pack and some, stuff like that too when you send us out. Because why waste a package?
Right.
Can't fill it up with goodies.
And that's all I have. I talked enough that my mouth is dry. I need to go get a drink.
Same. All right. Well, thank you for checking out the channel. If you're new here, welcome. Yeah, we busted through 50,000, and Fridays is where we started. So thank you guys.
Yes.
I won't go into rants about all that, but
enjoy your weekend. Leave a comment. Spread the word. Win this Hot Wheels. Be nice to each other. Wash your car this weekend. Do an oil change. Treat it well.
Special shout out to Brent, who stopped in here earlier with his R33 GTR. DJ came in and was like, yo, the dude out here. I was like, I got a camera. I'm going to come out there and take pictures. And he said, yeah, I think so. So I went out there and took some pictures. Posted them on Instagram, so go check it out. If you are local and you're coming by here with your car, holler at me.
Ask for Russell, specifically.
For just photos. Don't ask me to look up parts for you.
All right. Have a great weekend.
Yeah, take care.